Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I love solar lights. They are a great non-maintenance way to bring beauty to your garden, your backyard, or your porch. And these amazing, beautiful lights from TWINKVILLA are my favorites. What I love most about them is how strong the solar panel is. I put these under a tree and I was kind of skeptical as to whether they would get enough sunlight to last all night, and I was pleasantly surprised to see how long they lasted. I really love how beautiful they are, not only at night but also during the day. These beautiful and decorative lights have been hanging outside in my tree for about a month now. They've been there through the beating sun and through windy, rainy storms, and they haven't fallen, cracked, or shown any signs of wear. They came well packaged and super easy to set up. All I had to do was clip the chain on, turn the light on, and then hang them from my tree. I got these lights to add a little ambiance to my daughter's graduation party, but I love them so much I'm going to keep them up all season long, and I'm excited to see what creative ideas I can come up with in the future. I think these would be so charming in my backyard, at nighttime pool parties, maybe a romantic date night on the porch, or even camping with the family. So if you're looking to add some non-maintenance beauty to your garden or yard, then look no further than these beautiful solar lights from TWINKVILLA. And that's my point of view.